Hey guys, I got a little modification I did to my power log clamp here. So before I used to have a cable here that went from the backside of the clamp all the way over here to the springs. Well, I bypassed that today, and so now the cable goes all the way back and comes back to the winch, and I have it wrapped up in here. So what I did is this winch I had to drill a hole. I don't know if I could see it here. Looks like the hole's right here. So I drilled a hole right through the center of this rod here and just ran the cable all the way through. So when I go in, it pulls this one tight. When I go out, it pulls this one tight. And so when I'm going in, this one pulls tight, and this one lets the slack out, which operates the cable back and forth. Because what was happening before was the log clamp would sometimes get stuck and it wouldn't come back. The spring wouldn't be enough to pull it back, and so I'd have to hit it with a hammer a few times. And so I wanted to be able to have the option to have it power back instead of just being spring loaded. So here's a quick little video of it. And I'll show you over here too. So there is a little bit of slack in the cable just to allow for if the cable winds up funny and whatever one time and ends up needing a little bit more. I tried to get it as tight as I could, but it doesn't matter if it's super tight or not. You can see the bunk over here. I just put a longer bolt in and then bolted that pulley onto the bottom side of there. So now I've got the retract side is over here, and that always pulls to this side of the winch, or winds to this side of the winch, and the other side is the other way. Extend is wrapping on this side of the winch, so they don't ever cross over each other. So hope this video helps you guys. This is a huge improvement for me. Very happy I did it. I've been meaning to do it for a while, and just makes life a little bit easier. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, follow along. I like to do a video every few weeks and just different tips and tricks that I do around here on my homestead and with my milling, just to make my life easier. Thanks again for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing the next one.